welcome to WTF with Tom. This is going to be the second to the last video of the wine series. Our wine has fermented out. And also, if you can see, all the lace and stuff, and it as clear as it's going to get. It's pretty darn clear with my phone. You don't have no wine or beer? Get your own. Oh, that's good shit. That's good for you. All right. Let's get our transfer stuff so we can get this in the refrigerator to cool it. So we can have a review. That would be the last of the wine series. The review. Yeah. There we go. Everything out of there. We got the foam. Don't fear the foam. Oh, don't stir up the leaf either. All right. Give that a good shake or two. Remember, don't stick it all the way to the bottom. We don't want the lease or the settlement or whatever you like to call it. Couple pumps. Here we go. Upcoming tips and tricks, staying at home, haircut. You can see mine. Getting a haircut. The video after that is going to start our beer series. And my beer guy, the beer making store just opened up in Indiana. We are at Northwest Indiana. Chicago is just opening up today. So you know what? Let's make it some homemade wine. And it's ready. It's absolutely ready. As soon as we get in the jug, I got a top for it. Put it on, a couple days in the refrigerator. Bring it down nice and cool. And then we're going to do a review. See if we wasted our time or actually made pretty good wine from Welch's Grape Jelly. Nice. I mean, it's about as clear as it's going to get. But it smells. Oh, you can smell it through this. It smells so good. Now, I want to reiterate to you guys about the mask. Sure, it sucks. But it saves lives and it's proven. 6 foot apart in the stores, wear a mask. That's why the statistics and the deaths in Indiana are going down. Everybody's starting to listen. But when you add in the riots and everybody rioting, it's just going to come back up. So please, if you're going to riot, stay at home. If you're going to protest and be friendly, please wear a mask and let your voice be heard. Do not let the government shut you down. Everybody in this country has the right to be heard. That's why I love this country so much. You have the right to worship whatever religion, and you can protest. Just don't riot. Please do not riot. Them are poor people, barely making it mom and pop. There we go. Pour this back in there. I'm going to get a little taste of this. There we go. Pop this fridge as clean as you can get. Every time you use it, you won't have no problem with it. And the top. Here we go. Now she is ready.